Activity 2 is IAM Identity Access Management Service. So you have to enable MFA for admin only. Make 3 user groups named CCTV, data analysis, and data database management. Each user group has 4 users with 3 policies, each enabling access K to CLI. So here's my output created I already created. You can see. So papakita ko na lang dito sa house website. So dito tayo sa console home. First is search mo IM. IM. So dito sa access management, click user groups. So as you can see, I already created the 3 user groups that named CCTV, data analysis, and data management. So each user groups have to have 4 users, the user 1, 2, 3, and 4. And every user dapat may 3 policies siya. So here they are. Back to user groups. Let's go to data analysis. Already have 3 policies then. The last user group is database management. Each user have 3 consoles already because I created it yesterday. So, so that's it. The 3 user group, the CCTV, data analysis, data management, and hub for user.